Located in the Hams Hall district of Birmingham, Coleshill Parkway was opened in 2007 on the former site of Coleshill Station, which closed in 1967. It is an anomaly within the railway community, as it is operated and run by West Midlands Trains, although services that stop here are operated by Cross Country only. At a cost of £9 million to build, the station was originally scheduled to open in the spring of 2007. However, construction delays postponed this to the 18th of September 2007. It was jointly funded by the Department of Transport, Warwickshire County Council and the John Lang Group, with the developed contribution secured by North Warwickshire Borough Council. The opening ceremony was attended by the son of the last station master on the old station. Facilities at this station include a 200-space car park site, a ticket office and a bus interchange, with direct bus connections into Birmingham city centre on route X70 operated by National Express West Midlands, and to Birmingham International Airport on route 75 operated by Johnson's, I believe. I could be wrong on that. Today's traffic is very sparse through Coleshill Parkway, with services to the west going direct to Birmingham New Street, with further connections onwards to all areas of the country, while services to the east go to Nuneaton, then on to Leicester, with service going forward sometimes to Stansted Airport and Cambridge. Today's session was filmed at the start of the day, between 07:36 and 08:36 on the 29th of August 2020. It's also Divert Day. So let's get things started, shall we, with Cross Country Turbostar 170-102, working the 0737 service from Birmingham New Street through to Cambridge. With the line between Birmingham New Street and Rugby via Coventry closed, Avanti West Coast were diverting through Coleshill Parkway to get to the West Coast main line. And here is Voyagers 221142 and 221110, working 1 Bravo 06 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. And almost as soon as that goes through, 170-116 appears, working the 0747 service from Cambridge through to Birmingham New Street. (170-101) is the next Turbostar to arrive at Coleshill Parkway, working the 0831 cross-country service from Cambridge through to Birmingham New Street. And to take us on to our next station, 170-116 returns, working the 0836 service from Birmingham New Street through to Leicester.
Ooh, what's he doing? He's stopping all the way down the bottom here.
Thank you so much for watching, folks. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and also subscribe. Check out the videos here at the end of the playlist, and we will see you all in the next video.